Draw 3 milliliters of anticoagulant dextrose A, ACD-A, into a 30 milliliter syringe. Attach and prime the apheresis needle with ACD-A. Draw 27 milliliters of blood, filling the syringe to 30 milliliters. Gently mix the blood and the ACD-A. PRP processing. Transfer 30 milliliters of blood and ACD-A into the blood separating tube. Fill the counterbalance with water equivalent to the volume of blood and ACD-A. Place both tubes in the centrifuge buckets at opposite ends of the rotor. Set the centrifuge to 2000 RPM, 15 minutes, and 0 braking if this feature is available. Start the centrifuge. After the centrifuge cycle is complete, carefully place the separating tube in the holder without disturbing the buffy coat. PRP aspiration using automatic platelet sensor. Attach the female end of the transfer line to the 60 milliliter syringe. Attach the sideline connector to the 12 milliliter syringe. Attach the male end of the transfer line to the blood separating tube. Prime the transfer line by aspirating roughly 3 milliliters of platelet-poor plasma into the 60 milliliter syringe. Move the slider located on top of the platelet sensor forward. Mount the 60 milliliter syringe precisely into the platelet sensor. Mount the amplifier to the side of the platelet sensor. The amplifier should fit flush into the amplifier slot. The amplifier light should remain on after mounting. Power up the platelet sensor. Make sure the withdrawal light is on by pressing the directional key and then press the start button. Note, the plunger will automatically draw back, filling the 60 milliliter syringe with plasma. When the red sensor detects the buffy coat in the transfer line, the machine will turn off. Locate the clamp that is closest to the 60 milliliter syringe and close it. Draw 4 milliliters of PRP into the 12 milliliter syringe. Manual PRP aspiration technique. Slowly draw plasma into the 60 milliliter syringe. Stop when the buffy coat red tint appears at the amplifier. Locate the clamp that is closest to the 60 milliliter syringe and close it. Draw 4 milliliters of PRP in the 12 milliliter syringe.